Okay, okay. Where are these kids? So this is what this looks like today. Like right now, I'm heading to the mall. And the reason I'm heading to the mall is for the past 2 years, we've had a no gift Christmas. I tell you, a no gift Christmas. And what that looks like is the kids get no gifts. So today we're going to the mall, to the Apple store, simply because they send Santa, also known as theaugustines@yahoo.com, an email. And they also text. And they sent a link. So what I said is, you know what? I'm going to forward this to Santa. And since we are going to track him through Google Earth on Christmas Eve, he might just deliver. And if he doesn't, he'll like Skype in a gift, and it will be just like the regular, kind of like a fake gift kind of Christmas. And they're like, Mom, can we get real gifts this Christmas? So I think I'm gonna do it. I think I'm gonna do it. Batch.